at the poultry auction. Let's see what they have. A lot of eggs. A lot of eggs. You want to see something crazy? Look, that looks like Rocky. It's just cages.
Maybe it's a 3D print.
3D printer.
3 mini Rex. 3 locks.
These are airline
If you ain't got a buyer's number, go get one. We're fixing to get started. Make sure the ticket right is ready here. All right. Triple H, got one jalapeno and one white. Is that white, right? Say a loaf of bread. 3, now 4. $3 now 4, 4, 4, $3 now 4, $3 now 4, now 5, 5, $4 now 5, $4 now 5, 5, 5, $4 now 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. Selling y'all way, $4. We're just gonna say choice incubator, whichever one you want. Choice incubator, $30. 35, 40, 5, 50, 5, 60, 5, 70, 5, 80, 5, 90, 5, 100, 5, 10, 105, now 10, 10, now 15, 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, 150, now 120, 150, now 120, $115 both, man. Does have a turner in it. That's a pretty good incubator. 20 now 5, $20 now 5, 5, 5, 25 now 30, 35, 40, 45. I'm 40 right there. 45, 50, 5, 60, 55 now 60, 55 now 60, 60, 55 now 60. So $55. Got a turner without a cord. It's never been used. All you do is put a plug on it. Or wire it into the incubator, however it goes. Something right there, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 12 now 13, 13, 12 now 13, 12, 13, $12. 10. 11, $10 now 11, 11, 11, $10 now 11, $10 now 11. Money's on, boys. Back up. 12, $11 now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. She's in, Dave. $15 now 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 25 now 26, 27, 26 now 7, 26 now 7, 7, 26, 7, $26. 107. Still choice incubator, 5, now 6, $5 now 6, 6, 6, choice incubator, $5 now 6, 6, $5 now 6, no turner, now 7, 7, $6 now 7, 7, $6 now 7, $6 now 7, hold them up so people can see them, they can't see them, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $14 bid now 15, $14 bid now 15, 14, 15, sold $14. Put in now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $14 now 15, $14 now 15, 15, 14, 15, so $14. Wants the 2 styrofoams right here, Gary. Sell that other 5, now 6, $5 now 6, 6, 6, $5 now 6, now 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, $11 now 12, 12, $11 now 12, left 12, $11, 90, 49, 49. Gonna sell choice on them again. They'll have turners, ain't they? Both of them do. Sell choice in. Step up here, young man, so they can see you a little better. Hold that thing up high. Way up high. Still higher. There you go. Something out there. 20. $20 in, now 5, I got 20, now 5, now 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 5, 60, 5, 70, 65 now 70, 65 out of it now 70, 70, 70 now 5, 70 now 5, 5, 5, 75, 75, 70 now 5, sold at $70, way back to back. Now 25, 25, 29, 5, 5, 5, 29, 5, now 30, 35, 40, 45, 49, 5, 49, 5, 5, 49, 5, 49, 5, 5, 45, $40, 37, right here, Gary. Say choice for these milk buckets. Say choice for the milk buckets. I don't know, $3. Oh, it's got the nipples in it. That one's got messed up nipples, but he said it had new nipples in it. 5, now 6, $5 in, now 6, now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22.50, 25, 27.50, 27.50, 27.50, 25 now 27.50, 25 to 27.50, $25. 308. Both of them. Works great, it says. $25. Now 30. 25 now 30. 30. 25 now 30. Now 5. 35 now 40. 45. 50. 50. 45 now 50. I'm right there. 45 now 50. 55. 59, 5, 50, 59, 35, 55, 59, 55, 59, 55. So it's $50, $231. All kinds of egg cartons. We're going to sell them all for $1.90 now. 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23, 24, 23 now 4, 25, 26, 25 out of it now 6, 6, 25 now 6, 25 out of it now 6, 6, 25, 6, sold them $25, 207, 8, 278, out of it now 2, 2, 2, out of it now 2, out of it now 2, white layering, dollar bill now 2, 2, 2, dollar bill now 2, dollar bill now 2, 2, dollar bill 2, dollar bill 2, 106, put them on 106, making a stack somewhere. Laggards, Exchequer Laggards. So right there, Exchequer Laggards, 2, now 3, 2 dollar bill now 3, now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, $19 bid, not 20, $19 bid, not 20, 20, $19 bid, not 20, $19, wherever I was at, but I was. Okay, 7-2. Irvine Americanas, 10, now 11, $10 bid, now 11, now 12, now 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 33, now 4, $33 now 4, $33 now 4, 34, sold them $33, 64, 64. Pearl Guineas, there's 11 in each carton. You can buy 11 or you can buy 22 now. Just there's only 11 in each carton. 5, now 6, $5 bid, now 6, 6, now 7, $6 bid, now 7, now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, $13 bid, now 14, 14, $13 bid, now 14, now 15, you're at 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 1, 22, 23, 24, 24, 23 now 4, 4, 23 now 4, 23 now 4, 23, 4, $23, go y'all's way. Just one, get your back up better.
I saw your eggs down there.
$23. Show me that number. 117, 117. 9 or 9 bourbon red turkeys. 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, now 10, now 11, now 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, $20 bid, now 1, $20, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 29, now 30, 31, 31, 30 bid now 1, 30 bid now 1, 30 bid now 1, 31, sold y'all's way, $30. Okay, Australia a dozen, Alabama Bob Whites, 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, now 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 14, 14, $13 bid now 14, 13, 14, $13 bid now 14, sold $13, 27, 27. Jumbo Cortex, 1 to 4 dozen. Dollar now $2 bid now 2 now 3, $2 bid now 3, 3, 3, $2 bid now 3, $2 bid now 3, 4, $3 bid now 4, 4, 4, $3 bid now 4, $3 bid now 4, 4, 3, 4, sold $3. Got any room for me? In the incubator? Come on, use this church, God. 2 now 3, $2 bid now 3, 3 now 4, now 5, now 6, now 7, 7 now 8. $7 bid now 8, 8, never mind. $7 bid now 8, 8, 8, $7 bid now 8, 7, 8, sold $7 up top. Silver Phoenix. Silver Phoenix. You got 1 to 2 dozen? Pretty nice eggs. 3, now 4. $3 bid now 4, 4, now 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, 10, 10, $9 bid now 10, 10, 11, 12. $11 bid now 12, 12, $11 bid now 12, 11, 12, sold, $11. Jubilee Arbiter. Jubilee Arbiter. 1 to 2 dozen. Pretty nice eggs. Tell them out there. 3, now 4. $3 bid now 4, now 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9. 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19. $18 bid now 19, 19, $18 bid now 19, 18, 19. Sold them $18. French Black Copper Rams, 1 to 2 dozen, 3, now 4, $3 bid now 4, 4, 4, $3 bid now 4, $3 bid now 4, 4, now 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, now 7, 7, 7, $6 bid now 7. I'm with Dave over here. $6 bid now 7, 7, $6 bid now 7, $6 bid now 7, now 8, 8, 8, $7 bid now 8, now 9, now 10, now 11, now 12, now 13, 13. 13, I got him at 12, now 13, 13, 13, now 14, $13 bid now 14, 14 years in, $13 bid now 14, 13, 14, sold him $13, Dave's way. He said he wants both of them, that's the way I'd be. Looks like he got 4 Rams. Black Copper Rams, 1 to 4 dozen, different lot now. Black Copper Rams, 1 to 4 dozen. 4, now 5, $4 bid now 5, 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, now 10, now 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, $13 bid now 14, 13, 14, 15, 15, 15, 16, 17, 17, $16 bid now 17, now 18, now 19, 19, $18 bid 19, now 20, 1, 1, 1, $20 bid now 1, 1, $20 bid now 1, 21, sold, $20 way up top. 1 to 2 dozen, 0 X Wyandotte, 2, now 3, now 4, now 5, 4, now 6, $5 bid now 6, 6, 6, $5 bid now 6, $5 bid now 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, $10 bid now 11, 11, 11, $10 bid now 11, sold $10 way back in the corner. Olive Eggers, 1 to 2 dozen, Olive Eggers, 2, now 3, $2 bid now 3, now 4, now 5, now 6, now 7, 8, 9, 9, 9, 9, $8 bid now 9, 8, 9, $8 bid now 9, 8, 9, sold them $8. Americana, 1 to 2 dozen, Americana, 1 to 2 dozen, Americanas, 2, now 3, $2 bid now 3, $2 bid now 3, 3, 3, $2 bid now 3. Americanas now, $2 bid now 3, 3, 3, $2 bid now 3, now 4, $2 bid now 4, 4, 4, now 5, 6, $5 bid now 6, 6, 5, 6, sold them $5. 1 dozen, Millie Fluor, New Clay, 1 dozen, Millie Fluor, New Clay. 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, now 9, 10, $9 bid now 10, 10, 10, $9 bid now 10, $9 bid now 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $18 bid now 19, 19, 18, 19, sold $18. 308. Blue Lace Reds, dozen now. 3, now 4, $3 bid now 4, 4, now 5, $4 bid now 5, 5, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, now 6, now 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $12 bid now 13, 13, 12, 13, $12, 6, 8, Blue Star, 1 dozen. 2, now 3. $2 bid, now 3, 3, 3. $2 bid, now 3. $2 bid, now 3, 4, 4, 4. $3 bid, now 4, 4, 4, 3, 4. So $3, 1, 2, 6. No, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. Got an 18 pack of Blue Star. 18 pack of Blue Star. 3, now 4. $3 bid, now 4, 4, now 5, now 6. 7. $6 bid, now 7, 7, 6, 7. So $6, 34. 7 AM Samanis. 7 AM Samanis. 3, now 4. $3 bid, now 4, 4, 4. $3 bid, now 4. $3 bid, now 4, 4, 4. 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. $7 bid, now 8, 8, 8, 7, 8. So $7, 275. It says silver slate and brown heritage mix turkey eggs. 19 of them. We'll get 19 turkey eggs. 10, now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20. 19, 20, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. I got 40, now 1, $40 bid, now 1, $40 bid, now 1. He scared everybody. $40 bid, now 1, $40 bid, now 1. Sold him $40, 231. It's 15 Easter eggers, 15 Easter eggers, 3, now 4, $3 bid, now 4, 4, 4, $3 bid, now 4, $3 bid, now 4, 4, 4, $3 bid, now 4, 3, 4. Now 5, $4 bid, now 5, 5, 4, 5, sold them, $4, 129. 16, Rhode Island Red, $1, now 2, $1 bid, now 2, 2, 2, now 3, $2 bid, now 3, now 4, 5, 5, $4 bid, now 5, sold them, $4. Right there, 69. 9 AM Samanis, 9 AM Samanis, 5, now 6. $5 bid, now 6, 6, 6. AM Samanis, $5 bid, now 6, now 7. $6 bid, now 7, 7, 7. $6 bid, now 7. Sold $6, 275. Splash Black Silkies. Splash Black Silkies. 11 of them. 4, now 5. $4 bid, now 5, 5, 5. $4 bid, now 5. $4 bid, now 5, now 6, now 7, now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 23 now 4, 4, 4, 23 now 4, 23 now 4, 23, 4, 23, 4, sold them $23, 241. 6 dozen eating eggs. They'll be whites, browns, blues, the whole 9 yards. Now I got $1. Now no. Now 2. Now 3. $2 bid, now 3, 3, 3. $2 bid, now 3. $2 bid, now 3, 3, 2, 3. Sold $2, 34. 3 of them X-checker leggings. There they are, big old bird, $1. Now a quarter, now a half, $1.75, 2, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a half, $2.75. 3, quarter, 3 and a half, $3.75, 4, 4 and a quarter, 4 and a half, $4.75, 5, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, $5.75, 5, 5 and a quarter, 5 and a half, $5.75, 6, 6 and a quarter. I'm right there, 6 and a quarter. Dave, I'm with the lady, 6 and a quarter, I'm with the lady, 6 and a quarter, 6 and a quarter. Sold $6, 7.2. Call ducks. Three, 2 gray, 1 blue. 1 blue, 1 silver, 1 gray. 1 black, 1 gray, 1 silver. Take whichever 3 you want. 10, now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, $20 bid, now 1, $20 now 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 37, 36 now 7, 36 now 7, 7, 36, 7, sold your way, $36. 117. Once one's got 2 grays. Everything's per bird. They know it. 117. Everything we sell is per bird, unless otherwise announced. What promise? 6 or 7, $1, now 2, $1 bid, now 2, 2, 2, $1 bid, now 2, $1 bid, now 2, 2, 2, $2. Now 3, $2 bid, now 3, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, 2 and a quarter, $2. We'll give $1 for them. Buff promise, $1, now a quarter. $1 and a quarter, $1 and a half, $1.75, 2, 2.25, 2.5, 2.5, 2.25, 2.25, 2.25. Went with Dave, 2.25. Sold him 2.25. Black Americanas, $4. Dollar. Black Americanas, now quarter. $1.25, $1.25. Dollar deal. 2.25, count them. That number again. 2.25. Thank you. Both of you. Kiss it. Irvine Americanas. 4, 4, or 5. Look like they're the real deal, too. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11, 12, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12, 12, 11, 12, 11, 12. So $11, 45. 5 of them. Blue wheat, no leanness. $1. Quarter. $1.25 down, half. 75. 2. Quarter. 2.5. 2.25 2.25 2.25 total 2.25. Variety of Moran Cross. 6 of them. $1. Moran's. $1. Half a dollar. 75, half a dollar, 75, 75, now $1. $1.25, $1.50, $1.25, $1.25, $1.25. Total $1.25, 225, 225. Swedish flour, 666 or 6. Swedish flour, they're pretty good size. $1. Swedish flour, $1, now quarter, $1.25, $1.25, 75, 2, 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, 3, 3.25, 3.25, 3.25, 3.25. So $3, 161. Count them. A lot of them. Ducks, more ducks. Watch their feet, man. You got 6 or 8. 6 or 8 of them. 3, now 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. None of it, 10, 10, none of it, 10, none of it, 10, 10, 9, 10, 9, 10. Total $9. 248. You want 6 or 8? Take 6. Take you back up better today. Want some other ones? Eight times the money. 3, now 4. 3 of it, now 4, now 4, 4, now 5. 4 of it, now 5, 5, 4 of it, now 5, now 6. 7, 8, 8. 7 of it, now 8, 8, 8, 7, 8. Total $7. Oh, ho, gonna sell choice rabbit. You can have any rabbit on the table. Come pick what you want. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 12, 1, 12, 1, 21, 22, 23, 24, 23, 4, 5, 25, 26, 26, 25, 6, 6, 25, 6, 25, 6, 26, total $25. Oh yeah, send them all down there. These girls all over this building want rabbits. You'll pay for them. 121, 121, the number. Anybody else want to pick? Anybody else want choice? She's coming. Anybody else want to pick? Now you're going to buy them 2, 2, 2, or 2. 2 times your money, you can take up 6 or 8 of them. Huh? Oh, there's 3 in that one. All right, you got to take what's in the cage. There's 2, 3, 2, or 2. 10, now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 14, ought to be in that 15, 16, 17. I'm right over in the red. 16, 17, 16, ought to be in that 17, 16, 17, no. What girl in the black? 16, 17, 16, 17. I sold them $16, 192.